Clownfish swims in anemone, orange and white so happily. It darts and plays and hides all day. In bubbly homes it likes to stay. Goldfish, glowfish, glows a golden hue in ponds and bowls with water blue. It flips its tail with a little swish, a shiny swimming golden fish.
Swim, swim, swim in the sea.
The pufferfish is round and shy, but watch out when you come too nigh. It puffs up big when it's afraid, a balloon of spikes so cleverly made. A dolphin jumps into the air. It flips and spins with so much flair. Though not a fish, it loves the sea, a playful friend for you and me.
Swim, swim, swim in the sea. The shark swims fast with a toothy smile, cruising the sea for mile and mile. And don't be scared, it's just a fish. It's not always looking for a dish.
Betta Fish waves like a gown, with fins that flow in red and brown. It swims alone, but looks so grand, like a ballerina in a magic land.
Swim, swim, swim in the sea.
The Butterflyfish is small and sweet, with fluttery fins and tiny feet. It flits and flaps just like a bug. It hides in coral, safe and snug. Guppy is tiny but full of flair, with tails that swirl through water and air. It's fun and friendly, bright and quick, a rainbow fish that does cool tricks.
The pufferfish is calm and sweet, with black or gold, it can't be beat.
It likes to swim with all its friends, a peaceful fish from start to end.
The Platy fish is small and shy, but don't be fooled, it loves to try.
Orange, red, or spotted too, it brings bright colors into view.
Swim, swim, swim in the sea.
The Tetra fish glows in the light, silver and blue, it's such a sight. In tiny schools they love to race. They dart and dance from place to place.
The zebra Danio loves to play with stripes of black and white and gray. It's fast and funny, full of glee. It plays tag in the water with me. Swim, swim, swim in the sea. So many fish for you and me.
Now we've learned from 1 to 10.